Alright guys, today I'll be opening this t-shirt package from Bewakoof. Okay, so this is the MRP is 5.99 and I got it for 259 rupees, and plus I added a coupon on top of that, so I got more off. Okay, so they give you a free sticker along with it, so I'll show you this. This is what the t-shirt looks like. Small size, and it has this print. It says hey there. That's what it looks like. And it comes with this cardboard thing inside. It's a full sleeves t-shirt. So this is what it looks like. It's a full sleeves t-shirt and the print is pretty accurate, although in the picture it looked a bit smaller and this looks a bit bigger. The size chart, it is mostly true to size. Their sizes are a bit bigger than your traditional sizes. The small size is fitting my brother, who usually wears a large, so just follow the size chart. And now it's time to open the gift they sent. So this is the sticker they sent. Tofa laya laya laya, that's what it says. Tofa 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 laya laya. And let's open it up. Alright, so this is the sticker, believe in yourself, and this was the wrapper. I had to use both my hands, that's why I paused the video. This is the t-shirt. This is the packaging that it came in, this little envelope, and that's it.